you're not gonna understand how this thing tastes so good. This thing tastes absolutely incredible. Hey, how are you? May I please have a pumpkin spice latte? What's up, guys? I am back here at Starbucks. What am I doing here? Well, it's PSL season, as the girls say, and some guys say it too. So I went to get a pumpkin spice latte. How bad could it be? Well, it's 400 calories. Guys, that's a meal. This is 400 calories, of a lot of which is sugar. This is what 50 grams of sugar looks like, guys. Don't waste your calories on this. Eat something good. This is 14 grams of fat, 9 of which is saturated. There's not a lot of protein in here. I like treats. You deserve treats. I deserve treats. Let's spend our treats on food, guys. I don't really want to drink my treats. We can make a better version of this. Lower calories, guys. More protein. Good for us, healthy in a way we can eat it every day. I want to make this thing healthy. I want to make it better. Come on, guys. Let's do a better job. Let's go. All right, guys. Welcome back to the kitchen. Welcome back to the show. We kind of know here why this Starbucks concoction is not so good. It's 400 calories. It's loaded with sugar. I want to say, too, my philosophy, every once in a blue moon, totally cool to have something crummy for you that you enjoy. However, the problem is people aren't just having this once in a blue moon. People are having this every day, all the time. It's their go-to, and that's why I believe this thing belongs in the garbage, and that's exactly where I'm putting it. You don't want to be drinking that. Also, guys, you have the right to eat or drink whatever you want. I like to make foods and make especially drinks that I can have on the regular and feel good about. 50 grams of sugar doesn't make me feel so good. So we're gonna make a healthier, higher protein, way lower calorie version of a pumpkin spice latte, right? PSL season and all that good stuff. And it's going to be fantastic. This is one of the best recipes I've done that I could not believe how good this tasted. I'm so excited for you guys to check this out. And I also want to thank you guys. Those of you guys who have messaged me, who have left nice comments, who have subscribed to the channel, thank you. Keep doing that and let me know what you want to see next. So thank you. For this recipe, what do we need? This is not a hard recipe, guys. You have a couple of options too, all right? We're gonna be making coffee, right? So we're using espresso. I'm gonna grind some beans here. I'm gonna make my double shot with the Breville. If you don't have that, you can buy an espresso shot. You can buy cold brew, whatever you wanna add to get some caffeine in it is totally fine. Double shot of espresso right here. Guys, you could go buy a double shot of espresso and make this thing yourself for cheaper, whatever you want. We're gonna use some raw nutrition, bum isolate protein. I said isolate. If you guys know CBum, that's kind of a little inside joke. Pumpkin cheesecake flavor. This is seasonal. This is gonna get us a lot of protein in there. This is freaking delicious, and this is gonna be part of our base. We're gonna go with some organic, simple almond milk, lower calorie, also really, really tasty. We give this to the kids too. This is good stuff, guys. It's almonds and water. There's no gums, there's no crap. Sometimes some of my foods has crap, some of it doesn't. This is super clean. This is a good thing to have. Nut pods. We're gonna flavor some of this with the nut pods creamer as well. These are delicious. Pumpkin spice is really, really nice. We're gonna add after some Silk cold foam creamer. This is made with oat milk, I believe, and some pumpkin spice as well, guys. Check it out, all right? All of these ingredients I got, including my coffee maker, stuff like that, it's all on Amazon, Target. I'll get you guys some links in the description. You want to support the channel, that's awesome too. Before I start making this, important with philosophy. Some of these ingredients are cleaner than others. Some have natural or artificial flavors. Some are super clean like the almond milk. I'm of the belief you try to be as good as you can be as often as you can be. If you got some stuff in there that maybe once in a while you have, if it helps you stay on track, I think that's great. You don't want to have too much of it. So that's part of the reason I'm having some organic ingredients. I'm also having some kind of regular fun ingredients. I think it's fine because it's half the calories and like double the protein. That's what I believe is most important. So what do we need to make this thing as well? I'm also going to be mixing up my kind of base mixture with this Breville immersion blender. I use the mixing setting. You guys can use a hand mixer too if you want, whatnot, okay? Bring it on in. We're going to start here. And first thing we'll do, we'll make our base, guys, all right? So you have your scale. I already put in 240 milliliters of organic almond milk. That's going in first. Pop that in, guys. Now I'm gonna put in 30 milliliters or 2 tablespoons of my pumpkin spice creamer. I'll tell you guys with this recipe too, if you like things a little sweeter, you can always add more. This is pretty low calorie to begin with. If it's too sweet and you like something not so sweet, a little more mild, just use a little less of this stuff. This is very sweet. All right, 30 ml or 2 tablespoons are in there now. And now I'm gonna add my protein in, guys. 3 ingredients. We want 31 grams of this, a scoop, like 30 on the money. We're right there. So my ingredients are in, and this is the base of what we're doing. Take your blender, guys. I put this immersion one on a pretty low setting, and I'm just gonna mix it around for a few seconds. That's it, guys. That's it. All right. If you guys also just want a really freaking delicious protein shake and you want to skip this little coffee thing, you got one right here. This is really good stuff. So the next thing I'm going to do, actually, hold on one second. I'm going to fill this with some ice. You guys, I'm doing an ice version. You can absolutely make this hot as well. You don't need the ice. This is fun. It's still kind of warm out. I like an iced version. And now I'm going to do my shot. So for my double shot here, putting this to the side, I've got my grinder here. I'm going to pull, first I'm going to grind my beans, I should say. All right, beans are grinded. This has this nifty attachment here, which kind of keeps me level. Tamper down your shot, give it a nice push, and I'm just gonna get a double shot, guys. There we go. All right, here's your double shot. Now also, guys, while this is pouring, the wife made some einkorn flour and avocado oil muffins, blueberry muffins. This will go really nice with this today. So I might enjoy one of these as well. Double shots pouring right now. Check this out. It's going to be a super nice cream here. This is some Partners Coffee Roasters coffee beans. These are some of my favorites. You can see some really nice foam in there. I like it. All right. La crema. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this magnificent mixture that I just made. Get this in there first, guys. This is all your beautiful protein mix. Amazing. And I like to not mix the espresso in directly. I like to just lay it on top. There you go. Just drizzled in so nice. Yeah. All right, so the majority of our amazing pumpkin spice latte is made. I'm gonna top it now with some of this Silk cold foam creamer. This stuff is awesome, guys. And then just for kicks, a little extra pumpkin spice. Oh my God, it looks insane. And I wonder if this is gonna stay afloat. I just thought this would be so cool. I wanted to add in a cinnamon stick too. Let's see how that looks. Well, howdy doody. All right, guys. Now, I'm not even gonna hold up the other one because this is so much better. For the freaking taste test. Guys, when I tell you, well, let me have a sip first and then I'll tell you. Ready? Oh my God. What's so crazy about this, it tastes like I'm eating 1,000 calories. It's really that good. If you guys make this, I promise you, you're not gonna understand how this thing tastes so good. This thing tastes absolutely incredible. You guys are looking at 26 grams of protein, 200 calories. The other one was 400 calories and had 50 grams of sugar. I think it had like 12 grams of protein. Every once in a while, you wanna do something like that, it's awesome. On the daily, this is your go-to drink. This is a double shot of espresso. This will wake you up. This is fantastic. Enjoy the fall season. Yes. Enjoy the fall season with something like this, guys. If you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, leave me a comment, follow the channel. Until next time, I will see you guys next time.